Kia ora.
This is a resource for all of us at Ngāi Tahu Tourism to give us confidence to use te reo Māori every day, which helps us deliver an authentic Ngāi Tahu and New Zealand experience to all of our customers. I'd now like to introduce you to our teacher or kāko, Fern Fito.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Ko ai tēnei e tū atu nei, ko te kohurau te mauka, ko kākau nui te awa, ko te rā o moeraki te whenua, ko uenuku te whare, ko kātihatia te hapū, ko whitau te whānau, ko Fern Fito tēnei e mihi atu nei kia koutou katoa. Kia ora. My name is Fern. I'm here to help you with basic te reo Māori for you to use in your everyday work. We will begin with greetings and farewells. The goal is not for you to become a fluent Māori language speaker, though don't hold back if that's what you want. The aim is to give you confidence, to help you feel more comfortable using some words and basic phrases. Here at Ngāi Tahu Tourism, we use kia ora as often as we can. When answering the phone, when greeting our guests, when thanking our guests. Kia ora is a great place to start learning how to incorporate te reo in your everyday working life.
Kia ora, guys.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
That's good.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, and welcome to the acronym.
Kia ora. Kia ora.
Ki ora. Kia ora. Kia ora. Kia ora literally means be well. However, we use it to say hi, hello, thank you, I agree with you, sure. Use kia ora anytime you feel like using some Māori language. Now that we know how to say hello, kia ora, let's learn how to say goodbye. Ka kite.
Ka kite.
Ka kite.
Use ka kite to say see you, bye. Ka kite. Ka kite. Ka kite. Ka kite.
Ka kite anō. Ka kite anō.
Or if you know you'll see them again, use ka kite anō, which means I'll see you again or I'll see you later. Ka kite anō. Ka kite anō. Ka kite anō.
Well, haere rā, and
There are a couple of variations of goodbye. Haere rā is a farewell to the people who are leaving. Haere rā to your visitors.
Thanks, Ed. Great day.
Haere rā.
Thanks, Ed.
Cheers, Ed.
Ka pai. We've covered kia ora and ka kite. What is ka pai? Ka pai means all good or well done.
Everybody happy with that? Ka pai. Ka pai.
Ka pai. Ka pai. Ka pai. Ka pai.
Ka pai.
Ka pai. Here are a few more phrases if you really want to impress.
Kia ora e ho.
Kia ora e hoa. You would say this to your workmates. It means, hi mate. Kia ora e hoa.
Ata Māori e Shelley.
Ata Māori e means good morning. Ata Māori e. Ata Māori e.
Morena, Renee.
Morena means morning. Morena. Morena.
Po Māori e.
Ho Māori e means good night. Po Māori e. Po Māori e. Po Māori e.
Māku koe e āwhina. Can I help you with that?
Māku koe e āwhina. Can I help you with that? Māku koe e āwhina. Māku koe e āwhina. Some of the easiest words to incorporate into your everyday reo are ai, kao, pia. Yes, no, maybe. Ai kao pea. Ai kao pea. I hope you feel comfortable and more confident now so that you use these phrases when you interact with our visitors. I'll leave you with a summary of all the words and phrases we've learned. If you want to continue your journey in the Māori language, check out KMK.
Ko Māori e.